sorry. My name is Eugen, and I have a question for you. Who's using stickers and photo filters? Raise your hand. Not so much. Who's using video filters? As you can see, video filters is not so popular, and we're going to change it. We're making it super fun and easy. As you may know, Snapchat bought an Ukrainian startup called Luxury, which was first of a kind, and now Masquerade. It's an app that helps you take funny videos with special effects. As monetization, we choose licensing, so in the nearest future you could build your own app with our SDK and create your own filters. Our team is quite big. It has 8 members, 4 developers, 2 designers, 2 marketing people. So use Masquerade, take funny videos, and chat with your friends. Thank you.